I'm Alex with Storyline Travel. In this video, we're going to talk about Disney Cruise Line for adults. You see, I'm a huge Disney fan, and Disney Cruise Line is a family favorite. But now our kids are adults, and when we talked about taking a Disney cruise, we wondered, would we enjoy it as much as when our kids were younger? Fact is, we actually really enjoyed it a lot. And I'm going to talk to you about some of the things that we enjoyed as adults being on a Disney cruise. Well, it starts off right at the beginning. As you board the ship, Disney still welcomes you by name.
Disney Dream, please come aboard for our little family.
And this welcome aboard is such a unique opportunity for our family, and we really enjoy being welcomed by name as we step into the atrium. Once on board, we grab a bite to eat, do our muster drill, and settle in before attending one of the best sail-away parties, at least in my experience. As we've sailed many different cruise lines, we've come to find that Disney is head and shoulders above everyone else at a sail-away party. It's really a lot of fun, choreographed dancing, and just a good, warm welcome aboard. On our particular cruise, we had Marvel Day at Sea. And this one day at sea was unique and different, and something that as adults we really enjoyed. We got to see Marvel characters, which are very unique, and even enjoyed a special dining menu where we could purchase Marvel related drinks. Anyway, on several Disney cruises, you'll find either a Marvel Day at Sea, or if you're more a Pixar fan, Pixar Day at Sea. And that day, dedicated to the Disney area of either the Marvel superheroes or the Pixar characters, is a lot of fun. In fact, one of the things on our Marvel Day at Sea that we really enjoyed was the adults who dressed as superheroes. They got into it as much as the younger sailors did. Another thing that we really enjoy is Pirate Night. And on this particular sailing on the Dream, we had two different experiences for deck parties on our Pirate Night. In the afternoon before the sun set, the kids enjoyed a pirate night with Mickey, Minnie, and friends, as well as Peter Pan and Captain Hook. After dinner, after the sun had set, we headed up to the top deck for a more adult pirate night. The focus was on pirates taking over the ship and Captain Jack Sparrow making an appearance. This deck party ended in fireworks and really capped off a fun-filled night focused on pirating in the Caribbean. On both the Fantasy and the Dream, you will find the Midship Detective Agency. This is a fun, interactive mystery game that allows you to tour the whole ship, more like forces you, to tour the whole ship, both top deck to bottom deck and forward to aft. You interact with the art on the wall that comes alive as you use your detective agency card to get clues and to solve the mystery. While many children enjoy playing this game, we found adults, even some with gray hair and no hair, really enjoying playing this mystery game. As adults, we truly enjoy the adult-only areas. One of our favorite is Cove Cafe, where we go to get specialty coffee in the morning. This quiet, out-of-the-way place is great for adults who just need a little peace and quiet. Right outside the Cove Cafe is the Cove Pool, and a great place for adults to stretch out and enjoy their time without the fear of a young one doing a cannonball. One unique aspect of a Disney cruise is that they have a movie theater on board, the Buena Vista Theater. It allows you to catch some new or fairly recently released Disney movies on board. Obviously, we had some Marvel movies on board since it was a Marvel Day at Sea sailing. During our cruise, ourselves and our adult kids enjoyed all of the trivia and games that were part of the itinerary. We could learn to draw characters and even got a chance to learn how to cook, as anyone can cook was definitely a must-do on our cruise. We played trivia and enjoyed different seminars. But one thing to note, everything that we did, from drawing to cooking, even the trivia, is all Disney focused. So it really helps to be a Disney fan to enjoy all these little activities. Both the Dream and the Fantasy have an adult district area where in the evenings it is off limits to those under 18 and gives you the opportunity to enjoy live music, drinks, and just time chatting with other adults. In addition to the main dining rooms, as adults, we enjoy the opportunity to do specialty dining aboard a Disney ship, as both the Palo restaurant that are found on all Disney ships and Remy that's found on the newer Disney Fantasy and Dream ships provide you an elegant 18 and older experience for a slight upcharge. You can enjoy an elegant evening enjoying multi-course meals prepared fresh right after you order. The views are stunning, and it truly is a magical time to spend with the adults in your party. And finally, what Disney cruise experience wouldn't be complete without the amazing Broadway quality production shows that you'll find in the Walt Disney Theater. It brings that magical touch to the entertainment of your Disney cruise. So we love taking a Disney cruise as adults. While it is a family-focused cruise line, even older families will enjoy their time aboard a Disney cruise ship. But as a word of warning, you really do need to be a Disney fan to truly get the most out of this experience. We hope you enjoyed this tour of a adult-only focused cruise aboard the Disney Dream. And at Storyline Travel, we believe every adventure is a story waiting to be told.